transform your product into a viral sensation with just one enhanced photo. Today, we're diving into the secret behind creating killer AI-powered user-generated content, or UGC, ads that work for any product, all from a single image. Step 1. Foundation image selection. Start with a high-quality, clean product photo. Think natural lighting and a clear focus on the product for UGC vibes. A lifestyle shot where someone is actually using or interacting with the product works wonders. Step 2. AI enhancement and scene generation. Now for the magic. We'll use AI tools to elevate your existing photo. Imagine seamlessly placing your product into an aspirational, yet relatable setting. Think a busy cafe for a coffee mug, or a sun-drenched park for a water bottle. AI can generate these backgrounds, making your product look like it belongs in a real-life user's moment. Step 3. Crafting compelling captions. AI isn't just for visuals, can generate punchy, engaging captions that resonate with your target audience. Feed the AI keywords related to your product's benefits and your ideal customer. I'll help you nail that authentic, conversational UGC tone, highlighting key selling points in just a few words. Step 4. Overlay and final polish. Bring it all together. Professionally overlay your enhanced product and a generated caption onto the scene. Keep the text concise and benefit-focused. Think about what makes your product stand out and who you're talking to. This single, impactful image is your complete UGC ad. Whether you're selling tech, fashion, or home goods, this AI-driven approach transforms simple product photos into authentic, attention-grabbing UGC ads that drive results and connect with your audience, all within one powerful image. Go create.